How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today with Patrick Hyundai, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg, Illinois. And today we've got another exciting video for you because I'm going to be going over everything you need to know about the 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Now, these cars have been selling like absolute hotcakes. I'm not even exactly sure what a hotcake is, but this is selling like them. This car is powered by a 1.6 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine. It has an electric motor paired to it also, puts out 231 horsepower and 271 foot-pounds of torque. All of the hybrid models come standard with H-Track all-wheel drive technology, so you're able to go wherever you want, whenever you want. This particular Tucson Hybrid is a SEL convenience, so it's pretty much at the top of the range there. It's in Titan Gray, which looks absolutely fantastic, and you have the 18-inch wheels with the gray inserts to match the paint perfectly. It also has a Titan Gray interior too, which looks fantastic. I'll show you that in a second. And you get a bunch of safety features as standard with this trim level. For the 2025 model, the Hyundai Tucson did get a facelift. It's pretty minor, but there are some stark differences. First off, basically every angle on the car has been sharpened. So you'll notice the daytime running lights at the front a lot more sharper than before, and you have this big silver accent on the front bumper. This is going to be the key designator for all the 2025 models, and you're going to see them on a lot more Hyundais coming soon. Alongside the back of the car, you'll also notice you have silver bumpers on the rear as well, again fitting with that 2025 facelift. The Hyundai logo is actually etched into the glass, which is a great look there. And then the only other visual designator that it's a hybrid is, of course, the badging on the tailgate. Stepping inside the car is where you're going to see a ton of the standard features that are available on the Hyundai Tucson. Every single model gets the huge 12.3-inch dual monitor touchscreens. Looks absolutely fantastic, and the graphics work very, very well in these cars. You also get tons of chargers. Down at the bottom you have 2 USB-C ports. You got another power outlet that'll actually tell you the state of the charge of the device you're charging, which I think is awesome. It'll give you little green lights when it's charged, works fantastically well, and you have a regular power outlet there also. You do get locking differentials in this model as well. You have different drive modes to go through, including a snow mode, hill descent control, surround view cameras, parking sensors, everything you could basically ask for, this thing has, including wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And standard on all trims is the heated front seats. There is also a plug-in hybrid version of the Hyundai Tucson. That one will give you even better fuel economy than this hybrid version. So if you're in the market for a brand new Hyundai Tucson, which one are you going to choose? Internal combustion, hybrid, or plug-in? Alright, thank you all so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something along the way. Leave a like and a comment down below if you did enjoy the video, and leave some comments on what you'd like to see in future videos. That always helps us out a ton. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any needs for parts, sales, or service, make sure to reach out to Patrick Hyundai. The number for them is down below. We'll be happy to help you out with whatever you need. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.